nhớ rong trái trong này chỉ cái tên cha cho mọi thứ chuyện nhớ tao vào tao chơi nu nói là Thursday là giờ nu thì plan để cho cái hoa lử lử bay lên tu xong open cái chỉ rong xia tuần chỉ này sau khi cho là WXK ý chí cho xuân thia có program của luôn trong Minneapolis lòng để cho cái phong yêu hoa lử của cái luôn trong Minneapolis thia sau tuần cho WXK ý chí cho xuân thia là bắt sinh thiên tình cái lúc sau tuần cho nhớ là toàn trong Saint Paulกูรู้ไปหัวไมค์ก็ยังสิ่งยากว่าเขาหรือยังรุ่นตรง Minneapolis เขารู้ department เลยยังรู้เขาว่าเขาหรือว่า neighborhood community relations department กูยังตู้ช่วยเก็บไปยังมองลอยยาลาขมิ้นทักการยังเขาก็รู้ department ไอ้ก่อนนี่จะเนี่ยสิก็ต้องจ่ายจ่อหยกหัวตัวเธอเจ้าสาวหัวจวนลอยจะนี่ที่จะจ่อไปลอยจะตัดเราเลยจะไปชิฐานนู่นนอชนอหัดเดียรู้หอเพียชิฐานย่อให้จ่อ renters right ลอยให้จ่อก็จะใจว่าอย่าอีตัวนั้นเศร้าใจย้อนต่อรุ่นจง Minneapolis จะรู้ไปชิฐานนู่นน้อยอย่าให้เราเจ้าจงจะเนี่ยจีก็ต้องจะย้อนรุ่นจง Minneapolis จะไปใส่ย้อนรุ่นจง Minneapolis จะตัวเขาหรือย้อนรุ่นจง Minneapolis จะตัวจีรุ่นจง Minneapolis ที่จะมั่วว่ามั่วใจย้อนต่อรุ่นจง Minneapolis เราจะเชลาหลวนย้อนรุ่นจง Minneapolis ไอ้ท่านเจ้าเนี่ยจีตัวชินจีตัวชูก็จวนเอามั่วจีนะจะหูสต้องตะกุละตองเจ้าอีออเปอชาออีเปสุนเจ้าอีออเปอชาออีเปสุนtext กูละตาวส่งได้กูละตาวหาหูสต้องกูละตาวรู้เชื่อไปชิทางจ้ะให้จ้ะ renters right แล้วอย่าให้อยู่จ้ะใจว่าอย่าอีตัวนั้นเศร้าใจอย่าลงจง Minneapolis นู่นน่ะกูมัวอ้อตัวคนชื่อเซงอีตัวอย่าตัวมัวปาลีอย่าตัวป้าตัวใส่ลูกตัวชูหัวจัวตัวที่อ้ออย่าตัวคนชื่อเซงอย่าลงจง Minneapolis ว่าหรือตัวกูอย่าลงจง Minneapolis how rental housing liaison นี่ลงไปว่า Jose นี่อย่าอีตัวพงอยู่ว่าหรือว่าเก่งอย่าลงจง Minneapolis ว่าตัวป้านั่นตาวอย่าลามีไปเซงอย่าลงจง Minneapolis ละอันนี้这个定价给鸟喏刚好胡贴少节来要每路话路节鸟要一考证证出来鸟就好就被省路那鸟好路中Minneapolis天到到考虑考的是但是呢就去鸟路中Minneapolis就路那估计ว่าเจ้าจง路中Minneapolisตัวไอ้เนี่ยเขาเป้าละเนาะเราเนี่ยหายตัวนี้จะ定价我要到路中Minneapolis比的比较不中当作是的中风是的比某个定价怎样变鸟路中鸟เลยเขาเชื่อเราเป็นมือตีนจาเนี่ยของรุ่นจง Minneapolis จะจะรู้นู่นเราไปชิทาอย่าเจ้าจงเราจะเนี่ยสิกตีนจาไปสั่งเนี่ยต่อรุ่นจง Minneapolis Jose welcome to the show thank you so much ว่าจงต่อ Jose ตัวใจต่อก็ต่อ WXK can you please help us tell us what the housing liaison team does เพื่อต่อไปจะเนี่ยสิกตีนจาจะก็ตุเข่งเทียให้เจ้าให้เทียในป้าเปิดทีมแล้วอย่าว่าเขาหรือเนี่ยของรุ่นจง Minneapolis อย่าจะ housing liaison เนาะ
Hi, my name is Jose Velez, and I'm a housing liaison with the City of Minneapolis. First off, I want to thank you for inviting us to the show. I'm very honored to be here. So the housing liaison team, what we do is we partner with our housing inspections group, property owners, and most importantly, Minneapolis residents.And what we do is we assist with issues of like mediation, retaliation complaints, and we provide referrals to residents who might have questions. So the liaisons do not have direct services. What we do is we connect people to other resources, whether they be in the community or in our partnership. So I always like to say that we're connectors.
我就个就比多的话手那天把 housing liaison team 那这边我可好轮就能过节了就能我就主节了就能要到轮中 Minneapolis 被把了那天到了就好给处理把一天给些不给些学生了然后把头的那个莫等面的去找好给的你在都就จะว่าได้จิตเป้าแล้วย่อแต่เราหมดป้าเทียแล้วมูลเทียเก็บป้าจั่วเลยมูลเทียเราเลยจะได้นั่นเราหมดป้าก็เตาแล้วจะไปชี้ให้จอยอย่ามั่วพอเก็บเราหมดป้าแค่เราจะตีนั่นนะไปย่อจอยเราหมดป้าเทียเก็บเราอย่าป้ามั่วนี่ตีโตเราอย่ามั่วนี่เนี่ยเนาะจั่วเราจะนั่งอยู่เราหมดป้าเตานี่
Jose help our listener understand what should people know about dealing with maintenance issues in their homes ให้สอดจอว่า 你这个的家呢，就还这个等门的去洗木，然后了，如果如这样是里的住到靠地咯，靠生咯，地烧或者咯，了用的家还这了这里接到叫给班了，天了用目前给班了好多，要得了烧路这，你到路中门呢不是，了要住包呀，也得了要住包天里巴到了，一个他都变了。
So first off, everyone has the right to safe and a comfortable home. Just because you're renting from somebody else doesn't mean that you have to live in whatever conditions that they deem is okay. So if you have issues like problems with your plumbing, chip paint, doors and windows not closing properly, your appliances don't work, or you've got a problem with the furnace. In fact, we're very busy now with complaints about a lack of heat. Or if you have rodents or insects problems, talk to your landlord, talk to your property owner. It's their responsibility to take care of that. Now, if they don't take care of it, you have the right to call Minneapolis 311 and get the city involved.
你摸着ใจ了，我们给人家生的人家都都这，是到你是的喏，这的那些人那手这手了，你摸着ใจ的呢，是太难了这，人种这很多，好像的，你摸对面这手里人家ได้手了，了要叫สีนึงดีโลแล้วได้ขอต้องกระจายจิ๋วเขาเลยคือต้องโลเลยได้ขึ้นของยี่ห้อหรือว่าเจนจิ๋วเขาเลยรงโลได้สุริได้appliance ได้เลยก็รู้ฮีโร่แต่สิน้องมาเป็นมั่วจะเหนื่อยให้โดยตัวจะเป็นเธอให้เดี๋ยวเรารู้ฮีจิ๋วเขาเลยรงมั่วก็แต่ไม่เธอได้เดินต่อแต่สิน้องเลยยังมั่วได้สุริได้นาแล้วมั่วได้cá đó chi nhớ đồ này chạy lô thế này chủ động muốn cho nó cho chủ chạy thả nè cái do để lợi chỉ liền đó cho cái tấm mình thân này là thế này mua cho chạy là một hồ trò PEE kia cho lợi.
Because a lot of renters hesitate to report issues in their home because they're afraid that the property owner or the property manager will retaliate against them. Are property owners and or managers allowed to retaliate against renters who report? 以前你这个等着受罪，老人差去啥，还没着都就罪了要都能我晒叫罪了，少鸟还早的就都靠呀，我呀那好了，如果如罪，这里我来这里鸟人家生，别的老人差在，因为都就罪过了，要的都我多叫晒就叫罪呢，老哈尊重哈气哈报道。也达到我没得问题，没得问到来叫受罪，我领导叫能叫去这天叫受罪的人来不摸着ใจ了，我去年了，我赔，就叫能我受罪了，为的老到海的老啥个把考虑把路这了，要为的你不呀，我要今年生了，不摸中领导天。
So a relationship between a renter and a property owner, it's a business transaction, and you always hope that there's a good relationship there. But you're right, sometimes it doesn't quite go that way, and property owners and managers make threats against their renters. So retaliation for reporting a code violation is illegal. It's illegal in the city ordinance, and it's also illegal in state statute. So also, if your lease states that you can't call the city, that's also not enforceable. So in those types of situations where there is a threat of retaliation or you're concerned about it, call 311 and ask to speak to the housing liaison team. They'll send you over to us. You can also email us directly at housing liaisons, and that's liaisons with an S, at minneapolismn.gov. But remember, 311 is a lot easier, so just call 311. The other thing is we urge people to do is to contact Homeline or Legal Aid. Both of these organizations provide free legal advice for renters. It's confidential, and they're the experts. I'm not an attorney, but if you have questions, contact Homeline. They can be reached at 612-728-5767 or Legal Aid 612-334-5970.
Okay, she told la to tu ni so che ke tu chu che la ni ye kho ke wan ha lo sna. Te yo ha tia no ni mo ta me de chi la ni hu tao to to giờ te tu chu che la tu sai chu che che ne lo ho la thì nè ha tia la tu la yo chỉ tới mình nó chỉ trong này tê là yo mo tới mình chỉ là này nhưng mo ta chạy còn no hu cho pe thì một kia choเขาตั้งเหมือนmột trâu luôn rõ nè vì hayแต่เขาเก๋แล้วchỉตั้งเหมือนนี่เนาะตรงนี้ยังได้เคลียร์ก็เลยเขาหน่อยแล้วchỉเขาได้เนาะจะรู้rõนั้นเขาเนาะเข้าใจnóiว่าchỉเข้าใจเลยเลยchủ động chỉ cho我领导แต่ยังในหมดตั้งเหมือนหมดเก๋เธอซึ่งแล้วยังได้ช่วยcho hayแต่ที่จะchủ chế họ有ว่าได้จีเฮ้แล้วยังchỉตั้งเหมือนตรงนี้ยังได้จะเคลียร์到เลยยังได้หูจะไปen hai cho lời cho nên sản thôi tôi tin hình nhớ đồ có housing liaison team cả và chỉ li lo này sa cha email tôi được bé cho nè housing liaisons at minneapolismn.gov là tàu thia cái nàyยังmột chất chạy nè nàyยังmột chất chạy làm ổn thọ tây lúc xí hở thọ để tại mình trong nó để chủ sĩ cuối bỏ trong cái này là một khu trọ Homeline แล้วยัง Legal Aid Homeline ตัวสต้องยังโจ ER จ่าออีชี้จ่าโจจ่าพอ Legal Aid ที่โจ ER เปเปเปล่าชี้จั่วจ่าส่วน
Jose, in this very tight market, rental market, one of the barriers that renters face is background screenings. What should renter knows when they are applying for a rental unit? 但是呢，还做这个手机呢，你去摸这个找能到的时候少，我的一好的门我这不要手机呢，来要去接了，要能晒就接少呢，来要晒个好 background 了，要晒一点，个要能对了呢。我领导叫能用手机呢，对呀，我来要做把，的来做摸，的摸来做包，我对了，没装备手机呢要压得住。
So, when an owner, he has a right to screen an application and things like that, but there are certain criteria that he needs to follow. In reference to their renter's criminal history, their rental history, credit history, things like that. So there's actually two options for a property owner to use. And one is to use the city standard process, and that's called the inclusive screening option. Or if the property owner also has the right to do like an individual screening, but there's also criteria that they meet that they need to know there. So if you think that the person you're trying to rent from is not meeting those standards, you can get the information and documentation that you need by going to the city website and doing a search of renter screening, and they'll identify what the criteria is for inclusive screening and also individual screening. So there's different rules, and the thing is the whole idea is trying to level the playing field here.
Tôi chỉ chế này nhưng mà thật chạy là một qua chơi tôi tin là một số người rất chế là hay cho khán giả để sẽ từ nơi số chế này người họ根据tôi cơ lộ nhà ta lo cho trong và thật chạy là do lịch trả họ根据số chế do lịch trả thế là họ credit history thế là họ根据nó sẽ theo thiện những gì nó trong lịch trả nè tôi sẽ còn đó là để là sẽ chỉ lấy tên nó cho là một tô số cho tin nữa do thì là yêu ở đây nó chỉ là yêu chủ tàu ở trở đi lúc rõ cho chạy con mày cho nên là một hoa inclusive screening option nữa nè để khi do hay thì là chỉ cả ở nó chỉ là khi có là một hoa individual basis là tàu này chỉ từ khi mà do là ở lên đó nó chỉ mua tới cho chạy lấy tới là yêu chủ tàu ở trở lên đó ý vậy thì thì do nên trên tàu thì lỡ chỉ ở trở có inclusive screening là 对可人可了啥个内膜东西做了因为啥东西这可能了嘅另外我晒到好luôn trong có website nhớ trong the www.minneapolismn.gov một晒trong the có renter screening.
Jose, one of the most challenging factors in for renters is the rising upfront cost of starting a new lease. What does the ordinance in the city of Minneapolis say about that? 还一好new到你这个的家我来收钱嘛要好我来准备个到一好你路线了我做了来当到了要么收钱的呢来准备就你那提问题了收钱了我领导要好弄中 Minneapolis 这家呢好还的家做好我还的 upfront cost 还唔做好收入这钱了个谈骗的这个的家不晓得
So the ordinance right now reads that a security deposit cannot be more than 1 month's rent. Now, there are some property owners that kind of stipulate some things like they want the first month, the last month. And if they're going to do something like that, then the security deposit cannot be more than 50% of a single month's rent. So, and also the renter is allowed to kind of put that down over a 3-month period. And again, the best thing to do is to really understand this is to go to the City of Minneapolis webpage and search security deposits, and the information will come up.
就呢也到我这了么提问题我们稍微都接了这要的可呢security deposit 呢你也就去错到查可呢个提到一路里个ของ嘅姐น่ะ要ให้เดียตัวจุเจ要係個提查一里到呢問題นะxử理都推路里啫路里個นะแต่可呢個你冇做 security deposit 呢你要就去錯查只叫分佈那種的一路里ของ嘅姐น่ะแต่要的一ตัวจุเจ呢也就到做在到呢了冇俾路里到呢了冇提可能要呢啥保自己可能呢这呢một số security deposit nhớ trong the www.minneapolismn.gov.
Jose, the focus of our show today is renters' right. Can you help our listener understand what rights do renters have when facing eviction? 一路好撇的路好撇的路什么必须谈出来呀的有叫จ่าย到有一顿呢我有一顿呢我收钱要到好路中Minneapolis呢我哋個談就是叫จ่าย呢要用力加到就能收錢了叫จ่าย了莫要用力加路時候 especially 了要的就種路時候我了要做好到的路錢了要的老路只出中路的要到的錢了也了叫จ่าย要好啲個談論這個等着必須的吧
So a property owner does have the rights to file for eviction if a renter isn't paying rent. But they are required to follow certain rules. The City of Minneapolis ordinance requires that they be given a written notice 30 days prior to them even filing the eviction. It actually used to be 14 days, but we just recently changed that to 30 days. So what the letter states is what's due, the timeline in which to pay them, and kind of how to get that resolved. Again, the clock in a situation like this would start once they give you the letter. So again, the ordinance with the other thing is anytime that you're facing eviction is call your property owner is probably going to have an attorney there. You should have an attorney there too.
opportunity 可能加上里边好 connection connection 的呢哈音乐带唔知但是那来要点那群好过来了别嘛大家是 reconnect 了到and 这点嘛冇可能呢
Mike, can you hear me? I turned off my video.
Yes, I could hear you, Joe.
Okay. All right.
I'm sorry, Jose. I'm sorry.
No, that's fine.
Okay. I think we're back on. It's a good job. In your diamond, the connection. Jose, please, again, give your, share with us your thoughts on the questions.
So we're still talking about eviction process, right?
Yes.
Okay. So, before a property owner can file an eviction, he is required by ordinance and also by state statute to give you a letter up front notifying you that he's going to file and for the reasons. And usually a lot of times those reasons are lack of if you're behind on your rent. A situation, something like that, is that they're required to tell you how much you owe, a timeline on when to take care of that, and then also who can pay or anything like that. The reality is that the property owner cannot file an eviction until that 30-day process has passed. It used to be 14 days, but now it's 30 days. They're required to give a 30-day notice before they file for an eviction. And the 30 days starts when they either mail it or hand deliver it to you. So again, then they can start the eviction process. It's important that if you are in danger of being evicted, that you contact Homeline or legal aid. I always say it's important to have legal representation in those types of situations. So call Homeline or call legal aid if you have questions about evictions.
Do cái tổ chức chế mỗi chạy là một món nên giờ tờ họ nếu chế cho nên chỉ thiện thì chế nè.แต่是มาเราอยู่จุดตัวmỗiอีจันตอเฮียตรงนี้ฮะเดียวิจารเลยที่เลยอยู่มอnên giờ tờจันตอนอมาเนี่ยจุดเฮียตัวเขาฮะเดียจังกีนี่อยู่เทียลิจาบอกลิจาเลยจุดมั่วขอใจยุ่งแต่เช่นนี้จุดเทียจะนู่นไปก็ตาตัวทองรู้สึกตื่นเฮียนี่เทียหมดโจลิงตื่นgiá tại lò mà lợi cho mỗi cục bóc nú đâu là chú chế mỗi trái lợi nó đâu này vấn đề là một nguồn đó đợi rồi sản xuất nên cho tới sức tự mà tại sao nó tất cả nhiều khó lắm lấy chủ động mỗi đàn đợi nó bây trong nú đâu này vấn đề là một nguồn tàu đóng đợi mỗi nên cho tới chỉ khó nú ấy là bí chứ khó bây trong nú là gì nú lợi chỉ đàn đợi đâu này lấy là mỗi đàn đợi xảตัวtàu này nè chỉ do hay tiềนี่มู่เก๋เธอแซงเจอยจงเดี๋ยวเตอเขาเนี่ยรู้ว่ารู้เจนะเจนี่กูจะโฮมไลน์หรือยังกูจะมีเขาเองกูยิ่งเพ่งให้เตี๋ยย่ออย่างน้อยยังมู่จิตจะมีน้อยยังเลยมู่ตัวนี้เจ้านี่อยู่จุดมันตัวนี้เจ้าตอนนี้แค่ตอนนี้มันชิ้นเท่าไหร่
I'm sorry, Jose, are there other new renters, right, that people should know about so that they could be more informed of what they could and could not do or what resource they have available for them? ปอยมั่วหรือจอใจเราหมู่ป้าจะเนี่ยสิก็ต้องจะส่งใจที่ก่อนเราที่ริป้องเดี๋ยวเราจะใจย่อเขาตื้อรู้เชื่อเดี๋ยวเราหมู่กินอยู่เชื่อเราที่ป้องเทียกี่ป้าตัวเราตัวเข่งเทีย
Actually, beginning March 1st, there are new rules that kicked in. So in addition to the longer pre-eviction notice, 14 to 30 instead of 14 days, the ordinance also calls for mandatory disclosures. So the property owner is required to give you some information about his status, about if there have been previous violations. They're required to give you information about the name and physical address of the property owner or manager in case they needs to be a mailing that might be legally related. And there's also more information. And actually, You can learn about the changes to the ordinance by, again, going to the city of Minneapolis and typing renters' rights. And it'll tell you all the great things that came in effect as of March 1st. So the property owner, by the way, must share all this information within 90 days after you sign a new lease. So, as well as information about the rights that you have as a renter.
你英文到可呀那么还东子出咗嘅只個咪必做頭腦飛線都或者依度落啲我哋即係大不打嚟人也打了嘛因為你做乜個都努力冇批到呢事就是嘛但是我哋嚟做乜俾咗努力啲住大連老師嚟每一個嘅只個咪one day 呢冇先到收碌錢咯嚟做批到呢係真係啲嚟哋license nhớ xong đi chào thế là bộ tấm mua cái thầu chạy tuần tuần chủ trị nữa nè thế là lúc về thế chơi nhớ là lúc trị nữa lấy tuần ninh để chưa sai chùa cho lúc trị thế nhà nó tuần ninh yo mua tàu tiền tông tàu rồi xử lý cho tàu này thế người dặn thếเขาnói mà tụi chủ trị chủ tàu mua tàu này ở nhận chỉ bút thầu cho chỗนู้tất cả này là một xin này thành tờ này là sau lúc chế đó là nè thì này xã bảo tông gì là chế đây là một đầu tờ renters price nhất cho hơn họ luôn trong lúc rõ nó có website nên mình mà đi check với tàu theo để bảo gì tàu tờ có đó.
Thank you so much, Jose, for all of the information that you share with us on air with our listener today. Greatly appreciate the work that you and your team are doing in support of all of the residents in the city of Minneapolis. Again, thank you for taking time off your busy schedule to be with us. Thank you. Enjoy the sun. It's out there. Appreciate your partnership and looking forward to having you and members of your colleagues back at the show in the near future. So thank you. And also thank you to Sister Pa for excellent interpretation. Thank you so much.
And I too want to thank you and also Sister Pa for helping us get this information out to the Hmong community. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much. 我想 share 咗 Jose 啲班嘅我同我巴到班晒路鐵站嘅 Jose 一路做 Minneapolis 有 rental housing liaison 有其他做 renters right 啦因為啲要有一度能收錢一路做 Minneapolis 要做嘅係有好啲啦因為這個等於就俾說你我俾 V 那提俾嘛大家落大家俾弄依家也說好 WXK 一起叫送大俾嘛大家落去塔估每一條路差到到你這個等於就落到弄做 Minneapolis 咯一出嚟嘛冇得去星期多一片美
真要做路这梦要手中路这所向往龙要路阿如包也老老肉真的多久你是我柴头知道干了三座马家有容些我路这要懂得我要做年主被我心冷点的记录送你三座马我都不有点我有点孤单不得着那么不这我能懂有点我有这我能人要做东龙兄龙东人要做东要不后真正人寂寞废话寂寞那爸爸阿内解释寂寞的孤单好了那家中周肉我落被不一战争功的杂我就靠总要把这撒走满有路人靠着有点不一有点孤单 sa troca po jay pon do yo to sa troca po jay pon John see
nhớ rằng là chỉ cái tên là trong họ để chủ nhà luôn trong Minneapolis thì cho nên chỉ cái tên là trong không phải là nhau chỉ chúa phát triển thì sử dụng sẽ là họ chỉ trong này nu nào tập bên nhiều sĩ thà cho ranchers right là ya thì有一个呢sau chuyện nhau luôn trong Minneapolis et có cho chạy nhau họ nói chữ New York đã chạy New York trong cái chạy bên nhiều hơn cho Jose nhau trong luôn trong Minneapolis và housing liaison team sĩ thà ta đó số hội cho là ya thì cho ra chỉ có tin chỉ cái tên là này chỉ bao này sao bao gì nên tàu PEE là tàu họ luôn trong Minneapolis chỉ này hay lu mong là tàu chỉ là mà chỉ tồn tại lu mong là trong này hay ya thì mua họ từ họ chỉ sao sao bao gì thì khu kia sẽ tông trong cụ là tàu này cũng sẽ tông tại đuôi trâu y o p o xa o y p sun trâu y o p o xa y p sun lúc trước tại họ luôn trong Minneapolis rồi chỉ có tên cha trong mong sẽ đâu hay thì ta xin nó nếu mua cho bảo rủ là chế lúc xưa nói cho rủ nếu mà cho long xong long đồng tàu như là các vật chỉ tàu nếu chỉ tàu cho lúc xưa họ có mua cho long de của cho là mùng ba chế sát trận ba mua cho de我国家了我去把这拍成大家知道了那好呢好的哦给了你这个的那啥还的比着路北领度的问题我到基努到了要论中 Minneapolis 莫叫中肉好叫advisory committee 了要叫 commission 这 committee 要到好路往中 Minneapolis 我莫注意不中了之后论中 Minneapolis 那么去考论中 Minneapolis 所以但是呢要好叫我board the commission on your whole advisory committee on aging advisory committee on disability 叫我能老了叫我建议的只说让了 look committee on housing 还在给我建议了 look committee 还在我给在我 look committee 还在 community commission on police oversight 你可找问题个找到路北领导呢是当的 homegrown food council 的pedestrian advisory committee 的你要到好 public health advisory committee 叫那要叫中批他们说我找你这个的人家要这个年天那么少叫中的摸到注意摸到叫那最好 city council 的叫我那也没那么去考虑中 Minneapolis 但是呢要好要这个啥 apply 个摸着好也好我论中 Minneapolis 个领导或者 Minneapolis gov 了到那个节目的 city Minneapolis boards and commission 那了到因为就去保罗给了你多么少好了到被问题能财路中内路需要我你都不不顺ที่จะต้อง到其他的有么啥中内嘛我财务路梦中内了到底是可能的那叫牛机这个定能查出来知道里呢但是呢路中 Minneapolis 我一个 pilot program 那有一个我给了我8次考巴路中 Minneapolis 要来我讲讲太多找到的好桥路中 Minneapolis 太是叫车老母里家车老母中里家也得摸个路好偏的有啥个叫车车个跟车有个车长一个我有这在了可能也好的问就有摸叫 camera 了要公太呢找到的好桥人路中 Minneapolis 通不了的呢要当他要不就好桥人路中 Minneapolis 现在叫你记出来啥个内容我 take survey 嘛路怒的个好啥里家一个保容的不要好容注意一个说了对车8个谁说了骑车个跟贴的去摸的嘛那好了就要点你好去包了或是当着过了到好或者被意了到底下里不大过海可能要 traffic safety camera pilot 那就可能要一号完天路差的中间几个等着要这个每一顿菜到更到要到 college 了要的 ni ya itu kan da college da ni itu law students la ya ya ni sa to wa xiao ja hao lu ya long zhong Minneapolis ไปขอเอาผ่านในG Urban Scholar Program นี่ปีเท่ารู้เจ้าลีวันที่ปีมาเจ้ารู้ยีลีวันที่9 G เขา program นะya เขา full time program summer program นั่นละบ่เทียจะตู้ลใจลัวเดี๋ยวจะนึงว่าเนี่ยว่าย่อเขา college ย่อ graduate school แล้วย่อเดี๋ยวlaw student ให้เจ้าเดี๋ยวจะเขาย่อรุ่นตรงนี้เนี่ยplus นั่นนี่นี่มันต้องรู้สูงการเชื่อว่าเขาหรือว่านี่ก็ตัวมุ小学是个本业就好了那就好了现在这个的家的那知道如北领都问题个下呢就好了第二了那就知道也就都就几年了这个木照好中 Minneapolis 这 Urban Scholars Program 了以后的胡萨东多的过了到那周一2倍2下2亿倍数周一2倍2下2亿倍数知道了的还中呢这个的家错了错都路偏路差的浪的中 Minneapolis 的ลุงจงมินเนี่ยเป็นต่อปออีจอลูซื้อลอน的รัฐบาลมีกาวอชิงตันดีซีให้ซอดาวยาสิลีเนี่ยเจลอน的 federal government ลามุป้าโตจะเนี่ยจิกตันจาสิลีจอว่าตัวยอดที่เชนอเอยอดวันต่อวันแต่ยอดที่เชนอเนี่ยและยา immigration issues เนี่ยลุงจงมินเนี่ยยังป้าลามุเชียเชยโยลิจาที่ลิมูเทียตัวเนี่ยจิกตันจาcho kỳ ba chùaของtrong mình là sẽก็ต้องการkỳ ba này nhau họ tự li mua hoặc là nhau họ tự li muaก็ที่ว่าเชื่อตัวจันนี่เก็บป้าตัวก่อนนะรู้เชื่อนะอย่ารู้เชื่อใช่ไหมชอบเชื่ออยู่เชื่อมัน到呀就是到长到呀了也你摸二百号有看到呢他自你摸二呀是真正有看到呢哈的龙中明年不是要一龙中我在到天路天ใช้ชีวิตทั่วตัวที่นั่นย้อน到ลุงจงมินเนียโพลิสไปลุงจงมินเนียโพลิสอยู่ที่มัวจะในว่าเขาหรือลงมูลงลีอุลินอกอชิมัวเก็บป้าจวดตรงนี้จิกตันจ้าไปจริงอยู่ป้าจวดตรงนี้จิกตันจ้าชั่วเล่นชั่วตัวไอ้ก็เพียงแต่ตรงนี้ที่จุดนั้นเราย้อนของลุงจงมินเนียโพลิสต่อจออีได้ resolution มัวจะตัว city attorney รู้เท่าว่าเขาหรือไอ้ก็นึมัวใจจะละมูป้าติไทยจะเกยยมูป้าละไม่เป็นสังเขาลุงจงมินเนียโพลิสที่ให้อีหลังตื้อซื้อแต่ชิดชัวให้นั่งยอดลุงจงมินเนียโพลิสเอเคลีนอตอนนี้จะเอาเนี่ยจีกันในเชลเปาสมัยลุงจงมินเนียโพลิสจะอีลูว่าใช้ชัวเทียนนับถือเทีย在ตอนนี้จิกตันจ่า出来出度เพื่อนเนี่ยจิกตันจ่าให้เดียยอดเขาแต่ก็ที่ถามมันจีลบัวที่ commission แต่ก็ให้ขอไม่ไม่จะลูก community commission on police oversight ลูกน้อยอย่าลูกเรามุ่งจ่อเขาอย่าแต่ก็เนี่ยเรามุ่งย้อนเราเขาอย่าลูกว่าจงจ่อจ่ออีป้าเปิ้ลนั่งเรามุ่งมั่วเกชีท่าชีต่อชีมันจ่อคือให้เดียเกย้อนแต่ตู้จังสื่ออยู่เรามุ่งว่าเขาหรือจะเราไม่ไปสั่งเนาะหนึ่งก็ชิดชัดได้ก็รองก็ป้าโตทุกอย่างสื่ออย่าอีจอรู้เราไม่เป็นสิ่งอย่าอีจอว่าเขาหรือชิป้านะทุกอย่างสื่อนะรองวิจารณ์ย้อนเราเขารู้ว่า community commission on police oversight ในตอนนี้จะเอาเนี่ยจีเนี่ยตัวหันเนี่ยนี่ก็ตัวจะกี่ตัวเนี่ยเราหมู่เจ้าหมู่กาเราเขาหมู่จอมเบเราเขาหรือหมู่ย่อไว้ตัว member เราอีตัววันเราเขาจะรู้จงแต่ป้าเปิ้ลนั่งเนาะเอจะเราหมู่ถาดซอยที่คอรู้จงไม่เนี่ยplus还做给都将事条那没被慎重呀，因为这个等家家路差得到内温，弄老到路中面不是莫去找呀，就正经了哎莫贴到内，有的好多去找的他去出门啊内啥帮子了，胡啥动作股，对呀我股好他去出门到内了，弄了股哎股嘛莫贴子到内贴。知道还的นู่นเราไปชิดถ้าจะ renters right ที่จะรู้ชัดแต่มาซื้อที่สิสุดท้ายสุดอยากกินเราก็เขาหูยังรู้ตรงนี้ประสิทธิ์เดียวนี่จิกแต่ในจานนี่ตัวนี่เขามั่วกินนู่นนี่ก็เชื่อสังสาป้องจีเราจะนี่หูสะต้องตัวเรากูเราเท่านั้นเขาหูเราไปอีเราเท่าไอ้กูตัวสะต้องจะเจ้าอีอไปอ下อีไปส่วนเจ้าอีอไปอ下อีไปส่วนกูรู้ไปหัวไมค์ก็ยังสิ่งยา我好人家都好路车我好เลย neighborhood community relations department 我也ตัวที่ใช้ชีวิตเป็นมองบลายาลักขมิ้นตะกรันเนี่ยเรา好กูรู้ department เอมัวละชีนะที่หูตัวกูเอไปยาป้าเนลีไปป้าเต่าเอทอกัสเชอร์นี่จิกตันจ้าจีเกนอกันจะจงชินจีดัวหรือเนี่ยหรือจงเนี่ยจงไม่ใช่